This is a crazy video. This is the 100 subscriber special. And the title is Burned in the USA. December 18th, 2023, 32 Celsius, 89.6 Fahrenheit, 6 p.m. Hello guys, this is the evening news on CBA. So tonight, 2 people have been arrested. These people have been arrested for counts of robbery. One person took the money, and the second one... Wait, what's going on? This is an important announcement for everyone in the country. So unfortunately, as of 6 p.m. on December 18th, 2023, the entire country of the United States will issue a heat warning. States like Arizona, New York, and Illinois are advised to stay indoors. Drink plenty of water, gather supplies like food, and use AC 24/7, or 24 hours a day. So the average temperature is 101 Fahrenheit or 38.3 Celsius. If you go outside, sorry for the spelling mistake. We didn't mean to do that. Heat stroke can occur. So please, oh my god, I think the heat is causing us to misspell our things. So please stay indoors. Normal programming shall now continue. And one final thing. All of this heat is causing us to have many spelling errors, as the computers and people just can't spell really well. Kaboom! See you in part 2.